Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, beautiful, stylish and unique in itself. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing, that please don't forget to leave comments below my videos, because your comments are the only way through which I remain updated. I have an idea that what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. So I will not further drag my list of requests to you. Now let's move back towards our content. Friends, as you can see that all of these designs are very beautiful, stylish and creative. I am sharing a beautiful 45 creative new design ideas of hand embroidery, and the whole video is mainly focused on one embroidery stitch that is mostly being liked by my YouTube friends, family members, and on your massive request I am sharing some more design ideas related to Gujarati silai, patchwork, Gujarati jammer design ideas. Friends, all of these embroidery patterns, embroidery dresses are totally based on one hand embroidery stitch, that is Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati jammer or patchwork. These are the different names termed for only one type of hand embroidery stitch. So if you like my design, then please do try these patterns and make your own new dresses by following these color combination and embroidery patterns, and share your experiences with us. And if you want to get more stylish and creative ideas related to women fashion, hand embroidery design ideas, then do watch my channel's latest updated videos on daily basis. And if you are new or watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, do watch my channel and explore every playlist according to your choice of category and type of fashion designing ideas that which you are looking for. With this, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed and stay tuned for latest upcoming new updates related to women fashion. With your support and love, we have reached this remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members, and with your support and love and positive feedback, we will continuously be growing into a remarkable and a large number of YouTube subscribers and friends and family members.